Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet. This is the most basic stitch and you're going to use it in maybe 100% of the patterns for amigurumi and for crochet as a whole. So, as you can see, these are the stitches with a V-shaped form. And you need to work into them. The first one is here. You can see the hole poking through. So you place the hook inside the first stitch like this. Here it is, the first one. And holding this yarn with the hook, you wrap it around it like this. So this is called yarn over. Yarn over and pull through. This is it. Yarn over, pull through, and you have 2 loops on the hook. 1, 2. After that, you yarn over again and you pull through like this, yarn over, and you pull through both 2 loops. 1, 2. Congratulations, you made your first single crochet stitch. Let's proceed to the next one. Here is the second stitch from this row. As you can see it, here is a hole and you need to place your hook inside this hole. Place the hook. You need to have this V-shaped stitch on your hook. Yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. This is your second stitch. Third stitch is here. So not this one, because this is the same stitch. This is the correct next stitch. Pull through, place the hook inside the loop, yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. Sometimes when the yarn is not appropriate for amigurumi, it's going to have these strands splitting, and this is a bit difficult, and you have to keep in mind that from the loop everything should be correct, and you shouldn't have this situation here, because it's going to make your amigurumi quite ugly. So again, here is the next stitch. Place the hook inside it, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both 2 loops. And you proceed till the end of the row, or whichever directions you have from the pattern.